I think the way I look at it is we are all such submarines and we have so many things we can express, but also a lot of things that all of us just can't express, that's unexpressible. Some of it, thank God, we can express through music, not necessarily even if we are musicians or not, just by dancing or listening to music at home or whatever. But then I've always looked at technology as this kind of like a magic key, you know, that it can reach the spots that the other two can't, you know. When the touch screen came, it was like, oh my God, I can map out musicology. I wish I had 3D screen when I was in music school, and I could see, how counterpoint works in physics. It's a gravity-driven thing, not like something you read in this thick book, So I think sometimes technology, obviously we made technology, and sometimes it catches up with us and allows us to map something that actually is very, it's like drinking water. That makes it easier. Like I've said many times, like I was so happy when the laptop came, and then finally when you could record on mountaintops while I'm hiking, you could bring your phone with you. I'm like, wow, finally I can go to nature. Yeah. And my studio is in nature, not in some stuffed studio with foam and no windows in middle of a city, So I think technology, we are slowly getting more closer to the ideal way how we want to express ourselves.